Hello friend, how is it going? Welcome back to Auto Resource YouTube channel. Here you can see our super awesome sweet 2005 Ford E350. I believe it's XLT. No, it's a XL Super Duty. And this is becoming, and we are working on it, our camping van. Let's show you what a simple improvements we did here. We removed all the side paneling because we wanted have the entire width. There was that heater air conditioning unit that was really sticking inside in the cabin a lot with all these vents and so on. So that ended up gone. I installed this cherry plywood or whatever it was, flooring, and here are our traveling bin. This super cute simple bed with this super awesome mattress. So we are keeping it simple. We love this thing. We are going to camp actually tomorrow in it. There's another area which is super awesome fun. You can actually have these two Costco Tommy Bahama beach chairs this way, and if you pull on the side of the road, imagine there is an ocean. You are just enjoying totally that fun. Here is the other look. We made it to fit the Costco bins, so unlimited, almost unlimited amount of those can fit underneath. Here is some old hose, whatever. So today in this video we are working on the roof. I'm installing these roof racks because we have a kayaks, we have a SUVs. We might be putting there all kinds of tools and toys. So I'm installing this rack, A59 rack, which I bought on eBay. There is a certain seller on the eBay. The price was like $78 for this pair, right? So it's a pair of those. I bought two pairs because this is a long van and I want to have 4 towers. 1, 2, 3, 4. Make it super long. Build it so we can actually have either a lot of cargo or even better, you can in the evening lay down on top of it. You can watch the stars or whatever. So it will be built. I want to also buy here the ladder, the one which you put here. I forgot to order it. So you can see here how it comes to you. These are two super heavy duty bars. They are extendable right here. So one is thinner, one is thicker. It's inside of the tube. You can see the towers. They are adjustable. So these bars can be installed here or on all these little differences. These are the clips which are on the side, and I will point something out to you which needs to be improved for absolute safety. There's no way I will install it the way it is, and I will show you right now, and think that I'm safe, and then possibly lose the entire cargo. So here you can see it just installed the way it was developed. I have the thicker part right here and the thinner is over there. I already improved the other side and I will tell you what the improvement needs to be. So first of all, here underneath these towers I cut open, it's a fuel line you can buy anywhere in the Napa O'Reilly AutoZone. It's a Gates fuel line, and I simply use the sharp edge, sharp blade for the utility knife and cut it open. So when the tower, it's rattling, right? You go many times, you go camping and the whole thing rattles like crazy. You are on gravel roads. You don't want this tower scraping the heck out of the rain gutter. Then it's raining and then you have that rust floating down on the side. We don't want that. So the tower itself sits in the rubber. Now I installed slightly this clamp, and I put the tape right there, black tape, so it's not rubbing that rain gutter from the bottom. But there is a serious problem, and I will show you what is the problem and how to fix it very quickly. So if you look on the clamp, these guides are too much open. They're open too far. Therefore, this clamp has enormous amount of play, and look at it. It's almost going to fall off because that play of the gutter. I can be yanking on this screw a lot, but by its nature it might actually slide off out. Therefore, you might lose the whole cargo and get in a lot of trouble. There is a very simple improvement which is already installed on the other side. The tools I used, not this glove. I used the hammer, the punch to start the hole for the small heavy duty drill bit. Then I switched to the larger drill bit, and this is what I created on the other side. I put that first roof rack in the place I really wanted it. I installed everything loosely, and while pushing on it, I tightened this bolt. Not completely, but almost. To prevent this clamp from driving itself out, I used the tools I showed you. I just punched the center. I used these two drill bits. I drill through the clamp and the tower, and now I can guarantee you that this cargo will not fall off. Also, it's a double security. If by any chance this bolt broke, again, the clamp will be loose and you can lose your cargo. Or at least it will start bumping out here and being held on the other side only. Right now, if one of these fails, right, if this one fails or the other one, there is always the secondary bolt to hold it. So this is the result. It's very simple. It's just extra work, but doesn't matter. I can tell you guys, look at it. I can't move this thing whatsoever, and it's nicely, softly sitting in that rubber. The rubber might even help with some rattles, but probably not. But it's about not creating the scraping and the rust flowing on the side of the van. So I wanted to share this with you. This is that adjustment. You can see where they are meeting each other, and this is that top level if you want to go really high, or if you want to go low. I put it on the low, so the other side is wider, so I have it on the very bottom, and this side is thinner, so I have it one notch up. They are perfectly straight, and I will continue with 3 more towers. I will have 4 of them. Want to build a deck on top of it and just enjoy this van to the fullest. And I wanted to share this with you, with another camping geeks who are in the situation, they want to put roof racks on top of it for whatever reason you have for it. I'm happy with that product. I will put a screenshot of that seller and that product, how you can see it on the eBay. I spend endless hours, as you can imagine, looking for the best product, and I want to save you time. I will continue with this build, and that will be posted again on the auto resource, so I will keep later talking about how satisfied I am with it. But trust me, these bars, I pushed on them when I was assembling it behind me on the table. They didn't move at all. A super heavy duty quality stuff. So thank you for watching. And if you don't want to miss the future videos, hit the subscribe button. Subscribe so it automatically comes to you. I will catch you in the next video. See ya!